A warm and cheerful morning to one and all present here. Today, we the students of class 9 is going to conduct the assembly. As we all know, we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. So, let's start this new day with our usual morning prayer. So, I would like to welcome Anita for the morning prayer.
Om Hasato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Bhutyorma Amardam Gamaya Lokha Samasta Sukhino Dhamandu Om Shanti 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 Tumi ho Mata Pita Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho Mata Pita Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho Sari Tumi Sahare Koi na apna Seva Tumhare Tumi ho Yaya Tumi Sevaiya Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho Mada Pita Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho Jogil Sakhina Befuda Hum He Daya Ke Charanam Ekula Hum He Daya Ke Drishti Saha Tiragana Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho Mada Pita Tumi ho Bindu Sakha Tumi ho अड़िगे ही रहना अजल ही रहना जहां से अपने जगह पहनाना निडर के रखना तुम्ही सिखाना तुम्ही हो बिंदु सखा तुम्ही हो मादा पिता तुम्ही हो बिंदु सखा तुम्ही हो.
Let's take the oath of our country. Pledge reading by Siddharth.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. Rich and very heritage, I shall always strive to be. Worthy of it, I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone makes my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning. Today's thought is think about of our past and resolve to build over a better future for our country. And I repeat it, think about of our past and resolve to build over a better future for our country. And I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you. Speech is silver, silence is golden. So I welcome Aishwarya to elaborate today's thought.
Good morning to all. Respected Father, Principal Ma'am, Sir, teachers and all my dear friends. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. First of all, Happy Independence Day to all. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from British rule. This is because of the sacrifice of great leaders such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. We must remember these brave leaders on this day. There is a big celebration each year in New Delhi. The celebration is held so that the upcoming generations are aware about the sacrifice made in order to make this country a better place to live in. Hence, it is our responsibility to, as proud citizens of this country, to sincerely perform our duties. By saying this, I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a nice day.
Here comes Krishnapriya ma'am to give a small message about Independence Day.
നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ത്യക്കാരുടെ മേൽ ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാരുടെ അതിശുദ്ധ ഭരണത്തിൻ്റെ ബന്ധനത്തിൽ നിന്നും പോരാടി സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യമെന്ന ഭാരതീയരുടെ അവകാശം തിരികെ നേടിയെടുത്തതിൻ്റെ ആവേശപൂർവമായ ഓർമ്മ പുതുക്കലാണ് ഓഗസ്റ്റ് 15. പാരതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ്റെ ഇരുളിൽ നിന്നും പ്രകാശഭരിതമായൊരു ആകാശവും ഭൂമിയും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യവും നമുക്ക് സമ്മാനിക്കാനായി പോരാടുകയും ജീവൻ ബലി നൽകുകയും ചെയ്ത പോരാളികളെ നന്ദിപൂർവ്വം സ്മരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സുദിനം നമുക്ക് ആഘോഷിക്കാം. എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യദിനാശംസകൾ.
Now I would like to welcome our beloved principal Smita ma'am to say a few words about Independence Day.
Good morning to all. A respected father, sir, teachers, dear students and parents. Today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. First of all, on behalf of MGM family, I would like to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. It is the day when we got freedom from British rule after many years of hard struggle by the freedom fighters of India. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for the freedom of India. Because of their sacrifice, we are living happy in today's society. In this auspicious occasion, I would like to share one of the famous words of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji once said, "The future depends on what we do in the present. We have utilized today for better tomorrow." Dear students, I also want to share same message to you. Your future also depends on what you are doing today. Now you have freedom to utilize a lot of electronic devices such as computer, mobile phone, laptop, etc. for your studies. In this pandemic situation, these devices are unavoidable part of your studies. Your future depends on how to utilize these devices now. Dear students, in this beautiful day, it is my humble request to you. You have to utilize these devices for your better future. Don't misuse it. ഇത്രയും പാൻഡമിക്കിൻ്റെ ഡിഫിക്കൽട്ട് സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി എല്ലാ ഹെൽപ്പും ചെയ്തു തരുന്നുണ്ട്. ടീച്ചേഴ്സും നിങ്ങളോടൊപ്പം എപ്പോഴും ഉണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും നന്നായി പഠിച്ച് നല്ല പൗരന്മാരായി കുടുംബത്തിനും രാജ്യത്തിനും അഭിമാനികളായി തീരും. അങ്ങനെ ആയിത്തീരാൻ ദൈവം തമ്പുരാൻ നിങ്ങളെ അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ഈ നല്ലൊരു ദിനത്തിൽ ഞാൻ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി ആശംസിക്കുകയും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി നല്ലൊരു ദിനം ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ വാക്കുകൾ നിർത്തുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ.
Now we can see and hear the different activities of our class students.
Good morning to one and all, respected father, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I got an opportunity to speak about India before and after independence. I am very happy to speak here on this great occasion. I am gathered here to celebrate 75th Independence Day of our country. I am very grateful to my class teacher to give me such a special opportunity to say my views on the Independence Day of our country. The most memorable day on Indian history is 15th August. It is the day on which the Indian subcontinent got independence after a long struggle. The Indian nation has only 3 national festivals that are celebrated by a whole nation as long. One being the independence and the other 2 being the Republic and Gandhi Jayanti. We fought very hard to get independence after a long struggle. After independence, India became the largest democracy in the world. We remember only them and their needs and make early salute while celebrating the national events. After independence, the India get new birth with a happy face to all Indian citizens. India got independence on 15th August 1947. It is the great day for all Indian citizens. The India tricolor flag was hoisted by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, at Red Fort in New Delhi. Every year when national anthem was sung after the flag hoisted by the Prime Minister of India, we should proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother was Puglibai Gandhi. He was married to Kasturba at the age of 30. He went to South Africa in 1994. There he faced many bad experiences because he was an Indian. He was once thrown out of a train because of this problem. He protested against the apartheid system and got arrested many times. After spending 20 years in South Africa, he returned to India in 1940. From 1919, he became active in Indian politics, and this period from 1919 to 1948 is known as the Gandhian era. He started the boycott movement and asked the Indians to boycott British goods. He also started the Dandi March and the Salt Satyagraha. He launched the Quit India movement in 1942 and asked the British to quit India. As a result, on 15 August 1947, we got independence from British rule. This day we celebrate every year as Independence Day. On January 30, 1948, Mahatma Gandhi died. He was killed by a man named Nathuram Godse, and his last words were "Hey Ram." Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am going to say a few words about Independence Day. This year we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India gained independence after a series of moments in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. So this day marks the celebration of freedom from the British Empire, which ruled our country over 200 years. Here to commemorate our historic freedom, we celebrate this day with all passion and energy all around the country. It is our responsibility as the proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress for the growth and development of our country. By saying this, I am concluding my words. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning, one and all. Today I am going to say a few words about Independence Day. India became independent on 15 August 1947. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year throughout India. Independence Day celebration is conducted in a very city or town in the country, but it is celebrated with high pomp and show at Red Fort, Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag. He does a patriotic speech. Lakh of people come there at Red Fort to celebrate the Independence Day. They shout patriotic slogan after listening to the speech of the Prime Minister. All government buildings are decorated at night with an electric bulb. Indian Independence Day is also celebrated in many foreign countries. It is celebrated at government expense in those countries. Thank you and have a nice day.
Let's show our love to our country. So, I would like to welcome Adi for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे